Hey, Jason, I've been thinking we should go on a trip soon. What do you think?
That sounds like a great idea. Emily, I really need a break. Where do you want to go?
I was thinking maybe we could go to California. It has beaches, cities, and great weather.
I love that idea. We could visit Los Angeles and maybe take a day trip to San Diego.
Perfect. So, when should we go? I have a few days off in June.
June works for me too. Let's go for about 5 days, maybe from the 10th to the 15th.
That's great. Now, let's talk about transportation.
Do you want to fly or drive?
Flying is faster. We can look for cheap flights online. I'll check prices tonight.
Awesome. And where should we stay? Hotel, Airbnb, or maybe a hostel?
I vote for an Airbnb. It's usually more comfortable and we can cook our own food.
Good point. I'll check some nice places near the beach. What kind of activities do you want to do?
I definitely want to go to the beach, maybe try surfing, and eat good food.
Yes. And I'd love to visit some museums and maybe go to a music festival if there's one.
That would be cool. We should also rent bikes to explore the city.
Great idea. What about the budget? How much should we plan to spend?
Maybe around $800 each, including flights, stay, food, and activities.
That sounds reasonable. Let's make a list and divide the tasks.
Good plan. I'll check flights and rental cars. You check places to stay and activities?
Deal.
Let's talk again tomorrow and compare notes.
Perfect. I'm excited already. It's going to be an amazing trip.
Me too. I can't wait to relax and have some fun.
Same here. California, here we come.